Next up in the bread and butter series, we are sticking with the purchasing module and we're going to convert a PO to a purchasing invoice. So from the drop down, go to purchasing, click on your purchase orders, and this is my Ace Drywall PO that Emma put in. I am going to click convert and convert it to a purchasing invoice. So when this pops up, then you see you have to put it in a vendor document number at this stage. So I'm just going to make one up. And you can put in this additional information or add attachments if you want at this point. And then down here on your entries, you can actually make edits here if something was coded incorrectly. You cannot, however, change your item. So there's 10, the quantity is 10, and you can do a partial conversion if you want. If you're doing a partial conversion, let's say you're doing 7 now and 3 later, the vendor document number has to be different. So it's 2 separate vendor document numbers if you're doing partial conversions. But in this case, I am going to just convert the full amount and I'm going to submit that. And once that's been submitted, then I can see that the state is now converted and I don't have the button to convert anymore. So if I click then into my purchasing invoices, I can see my Ace Drywall purchasing invoices there. And it's also been pushed through to accounts payable. If I click on my bills, I can see my Ace Drywall, $1,000 has come through as a purchasing invoice.